everybody. So guess what? Today we are trying a snack video. So this is
another snack video because we did 2 videos. Check out Mom's Ibotta link and put your thumbs up to Mom's video.
Okay, so I've done this video a couple times before, you guys. This is how I basically started YouTube. Is I bought a Munchpak box, and this is what we're eating. So basically, Munchpak, this is something I paid for myself. So basically, Munchpak is snacks from all around the world, and I really loved it. That's how I pretty much one of my very first videos was trying a Munchpak video or trying a Munchpak box. And I've tried them out throughout the years. This is something I've also given to gifts. I have a brother-in-law that loves trying new things from all around the world. So I ended up giving him a gift of a Munchpak for Christmas. So Ben and I are going to open this box up.
See, I don't know what snacks
He's just like so excited for snacks. But you never know what you're going to get. You guys can get this either weekly or monthly.
And check out Benjamin's videos.
Benjamin, please. You guys can either get this weekly or monthly. This box contains 10 snacks. There is a box where you guys can get 5 snacks for $13.95. You can get this box for 10 snacks for $23.95. Or you guys can get 20 snacks for $43.95. I do have a referral link below where you guys can get $5 off your first box. I always say definitely try these right around the Christmas time. If you guys ever need
Mom, let's open it.
I know you do. But if you guys ever need somebody to give somebody a gift that's hard to try, get them a Munchpak. Like, it's kind of cool because you don't know what they're going to get. And it's just something cool. So we're going to open this up.
Yeah, open it.
Voila. Okay, so hold on, Benjamin. Just give me a second. He's like all for the snacks, you guys. So this is basically what
Let's take it off.
Can you just give me like one stop it, please. Okay. So basically, they said download the Munch scanner so you guys can view the history. You scan the barcode. So that's something new you guys can do through the App Store. Now this, I have not gotten Munchpak for a while, but they have a little booklet that explains about the snacks. So we're getting snacks from France, Australia, Thailand, and more. So in here they have a ton of snacks. Well, we might not be getting everything, but they do have an upgrade where you guys can get soda. I passed on the soda, but let's just dig in and see what we got. Hold on, honey. Let's show them what they got. So this is what we got. Benjamin's already like excited.
I wanna open.
Oh, Ben found something he likes. So
let's open it.
Okay. So these are Koala's March. These are mango cream filled
cookies. These are my favorite.
We actually have eaten the koala ones. We get these at our local grocery store.
I eat them all the time. They're my chocolatey favorite.
They only have chocolate, but these are not chocolate. So
they're lemonade.
These are mango cream.
Let's
so
try
we will see how they taste, okay?
We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Ben, just relax.
It's
okay.
the end.
So this is the box, you guys. And then this is the packaging. Okay,
can you just koalas.
Wait 1 second. Okay, so.
Can I try?
You can have one.
You try one.
Okay, you have one.
You try one.
Oh, you can really smell the mango.
Whoa.
Okay.
Apple.
All right. Okay.
Oh, next time.
One at a time. One at a time.
We don't need this one.
Okay. Can you just wait? All right. The next bet
I'm not gonna try it.
Is the gummy sour green apples. So this is the one we got.
I'll try it. Hey, how do I do it?
Okay, we'll just take a little bite out of this, okay?
I'm not gonna try it.
So, I don't even know what these say where they're from. This one says it's from Spain. This one says it's from Chinatown. Product of Thailand. So, you got like a nice little big apple gummy. Okay, hold on, honey.
You smell it? It tastes good?
Here, taste it. It's good.
No, thank you.
It's not sour.
No.
I like this. It's not sour at all.
I'm not gonna try this.
This tastes like an apple. Like you're eating an apple, but it's candy. That is really good.
I'm gonna try this.
I like this. This is really good.
Good.
I'll finish that. Okay, the next thing we got is...
We are not gonna try this.
lemon head splitters, wickedly sour, fruit flavored, boiled sweet.
I'm not gonna try that.
There's 4 pieces in here. This is a product from England.
Chinatown.
Okay, so these are hard candies. We're not gonna even eat those right now because it'll take forever. And if they're wickedly sour, I do not want to eat those, but they're just like hard candy. So we'll have Graham try those. So that is that one. So that's snack 3. Now we're on snack 4. So these are called Denny and Gnocchi.
They look like Oreos and chips.
Vanilla cream sandwich biscuits. And these are from
Chinatown.
Moldova. So there's that. So let's try these. I'm just gonna have one bite and then you can have a bite. So you got your chocolate and vanilla cookie. We're gonna share this, okay?
I'm gonna try my own. Tastes like Oreos. I'll try again. It tastes like Oreos.
No, it doesn't taste like Oreos.
I said it tastes like Oreos because I have koala. This looks like
It's alright. It's kind of a bland taste, but
it looks like in the inside.
yeah, okay. So the next thing
No,
we're
doing this
okay,
next.
we're doing this one, you guys. So these are called Ulker Clip Pizza Sticks. Now, we've had stuff like this before. Pringles has made it. This product is nothing in English.
And Chinatown.
Oh,
Why Chinatown?
Turkey? I think this is from Turkey. Yeah, made in Turkey. Okay.
I like turkey.
You don't even eat turkey.
You eat turkey.
Okay, so here's a
You're a turkey mate.
stick for you, and these are pizza flavored sticks.
It tastes like those chips out like Doritos. Like put in my ball sack.
Don't talk like that.
Okay.
Okay. So now.
No, this next.
Okay, this bag next. This is a big bag. This is a product from
Chinatown.
Not everything's from Chinatown, Ben.
Mom, your Chinatown favorite.
I want to say it's from Mexico. Yeah, made in Mexico. So this is a big mix. It says it's $10, which I don't. Okay, hold on. I don't even know what $10 is, but it's a queso, so it's cheese flavored. We got Monster Runners, Taki, Pop, and Orelos. I've never even tried Takis, you guys. Like, that's how sad it is.
I'm not gonna try it because it's spicy.
No, it's not. It's cheesy.
I'm not trying.
So here is some, like, I'm assuming these. It's like a Cheeto.
Oh. Eh.
Funny thing is, they didn't mix anything up, so like they put one flavor in one thing, and then I want to try the Taki. Because I've never had a Taki before.
Spicy!
That's not spicy. Yeah, that's.
Graham, we need some water, Graham! Graham, we need some water!
Sorry, you guys. We had to take a break from that chip because it was like super spicy. Okay,
Yeah,
so the next
now
thing...
I have water. I got this for PBS Kids.
Okay, so the next thing we got is Dairy, which is actually a known company.
What's Dairy?
Cover your mouth.
It tastes like gluten free.
Okay, so gluten free. So actually,
Gluten free gummies.
okay, so this says it's strawberry candy, and this is available in the States, but we could probably get
And it's gluten free.
But this is an Australian product, so let's try it out. Just need our scissors because I can't get this open.
Mom has all the scissors, but I need scissors.
Okay. This is licorice. I don't know if you want to eat the licorice. So it's just a little, tiny little piece of licorice.
A bacon.
No, it's not bacon.
Can we look at it? Look at it. It kind of looks like your bacon.
Licorice does not look like bacon. Okay.
Bacon, mommy. Bacon.
So,
bacon. I'm not
This is weird, you guys.
Bacon face, mom.
Bacon on the go.
How bacon, mom?
Okay, Ben.
Fart.
Bacon on the go. Amped up Riff Smokehouse. Okay, so it says it's meat candy, and it's sweet. Ready to eat for amped up flavor. Microwave for 5 seconds. Ben. Shh.
Mom took diet.
Okay.
What's this?
But this is from Minnesota. This is a Minnesota product, so yeah, we're just gonna eat it as is. For amped flavor, we can heat it up, but it's weird eating bacon off a stick. It smells. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bite. How is this candy?
It doesn't say candy on the box.
It tastes pretty good. I mean, it just tastes like regular bacon, just in a plastic
bacon,
bag.
mom face.
Bacon.
We'll try this next.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we are trying the real hand.
Soldier.
Okay,
Halloween.
it's not really a soldier, but real hand cooked strong cheese and onion. These are probably chips. Ben, please, honey. These are from the United Kingdom. Okay.
Look at the inside.
Yep. So these just look like regular potato chips.
Inside, you see? It tastes like poop.
Don't talk like that.
These Charlotte, be quiet, Charlotte.
She's crying upstairs. They're alright. They're a little thicker than regular chips like in the US, but they're good. They're really strong. Like, it says strong cheese and onion. It's got a really strong onion taste. Okay, so now we are on our last and final snack. This is a French crepe. It's chocolate. I'm assuming it's probably from France. It's ready to eat.
Bye-bye, guys.
Top it up with whipped
I have to go.
cream. Okay, you go.
I'm gonna go.
It says it's distributed out of New York, but it is a product of France. So let's try this. This is actually not that bad of a box. I've had some stuff where I'm like, no way, Jose. So, we're just going to open this up. There was one candy I got from here one time, and I absolutely loved it, and I have been trying to find it ever since, but I have not found it yet. So, let's try this. It's like a melted candy bar in like a thing. Yeah. Okay. So that was fun. It was good to try new snacks. I mean, you guys obviously wouldn't open everything all at once, but I really like this box. I got a deal for this box, but you guys can get $5 off your first box. Even if you do the 5 snack one, you guys can get it for $8.95 with my referral link below. It's awesome. I always try to get these around, I always buy this stuff around the holidays because I give them to people that are really hard to shop for. So if you guys ever need a gift for somebody who's hard to shop for and you want to kind of get them something kind of weird and different, definitely do that. My favorite thing I want to say was the sour green apple. Like, it's not sour at all, but I really feel like I'm actually eating a slice of apples, and it's, I mean, you get a pretty good piece. The pizza sticks were pretty good too. A little strong aftertaste, but they were still good. The thing I really did not like was that crepe, whatever. That I probably, this is kind of weird. This thing I probably will not eat. I know Graham will eat it, but there's that. The Daryl Lee has been called it something different. This was strawberry candy. This was actually pretty good. I like that. The Demi and Gnocchi cream cookies, those are all right. I mean, there's 4 crackers or biscuits is what they call in here. And then these Takis were really good. Just really spicy. I did not think they were going to be super spicy, but when I think of queso, I think of cheese and not spice. But Graham tried one of these when he came down here to give us food. But that was my little Munchpak box. I really liked it. And then in here it tells you everything in the little booklet I'm going to, sorry, Miss Charlotte's crying upstairs. So the sour cream things were from Spain. The sandwiches, Moldova. The bacon thing was from the USA, United Kingdom, Mexico. So basically, if you guys would have gotten what I got, 5 of the snacks that I got, okay, 5 of the snacks was in the mini box, and then they have 5 additional snacks in the original. So that's what I got. So if I bought that little mini box, I would have gotten the sour cream, the koala, the crepes, the pizza sticks, and then the strawberry candy. So that's the stuff that I would have gotten if I got a mini. So if you guys definitely want to try this out, you know, just kind of do something fun with your family. Try something that you would never think you would try. I've actually learned and tried new things that I've never tried before with this box, and I've enjoyed it. So just saying on that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.